Jacking up the house, was it worth it? Yes or no? Basically what was happening, this house was built in 1912 and the whole front of the house had sunk down several inches. So what we did was we braced underneath and we jacked it up about 3.5 inches, maybe 4 inches, and then we lowered it down because the whole thing had sunk quite a bit. We took the stringers off. We got them all stacked down here, these stringers for the stairs, and we took the treads off. The treads are going to be reused, but put in new footings. And then inside, we'll show you some photos as well of what we did. But what happened was we put in new footings on the corner, and then we put all these pressure treated 4x4 posts along the bottom. Then we lowered it down. Yeah, so we've raised this whole front of the porch quite a bit. What do you think? Would you have done it differently? Did we do an okay job? I realize that some people are going to have different opinions. Comment below and let us know. Thank you.